Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse. I wanted to hop on real quick to do a tutorial on the Honeybee Stamps Layered Sunflower die set. Love, 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 love. Still love coneflower too, but these two, they're like a match made in heaven. Honeybee Stamps does have it in stock. I don't know for how much longer because I have a feeling this thing is gonna go. Just a quick review. This is coneflower, which I believe is finally back in stock at Honeybee Stamps. Hopefully it still is. And that's the sunflower. There is a sale at Honeybee Stamps for this Labor Day weekend, but it's only on their clearance and retiring, okay? And this, I forgot to tell you guys about this one. This is from Altenew, that For You. Beautiful, right? Yeah. This one can be like birthday and everything. So let's go ahead and put together this lovely layers sunflower. So here now, if you look at my packaging, what I did, I like to put my biggest base layer to the left bottom. This is just for me. Wherever you want to put it, you can put it, you know, head going from bottom to top. I go number 1, base. Number 2, that means that's the middle flower. Number 3 is the top. I can look at it and tell, but just in case I put it down for a while, I want to know that once I pick it up, I can go straight in. Leaf is by itself. These are the layers. And then I did the circle. That means that's the base, 1A, and then that's the top of the base, okay? All right, this is how I'm going to layer the flower. So we're starting from the base all the way up to the top of the flower. And then you can add the leaf if you want at the end. Oh, the leaf. Look at that die cut. Beautiful with the veining, okay? So what I did here, why I have 2. This is a 110-pound cardstock craft, love. So I use this as the base to give the whole flower stability. I use 110-pound cardstock. Then I cut the other layer to put on top. Then now, yes, I have to add my little bit of glitter. There is a little bit of glitter in this one too, if you think about it, right there. See, just a little bit. Or you can just use no glitter at all, but I just have to use glitter. So base, glitter, top, and then those 2 centers, okay? Alrighty, folks. So I have zoomed the camera down so you can get a real good look because this one, it does come together easily, not as easy as the others. Because the others, you always had a top. Okay, I'll show you here. On this one, you aimed everything for here, including the base. Everything aimed towards that top. This one is different. Even on the pine cone, it has a top. So what I like to do is look at the flower. You see this right here with the 3? That's my aim on all the layers right there. So I go like this. You see it? Because if you start going like this, see how it doesn't fit? It doesn't fit. So I look at that 3. This is just my thing. You find your thing right there. You could even say 3, 4, 5. You could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where is it? There it is. And then I keep this as the top. And now I'm going to adhere it with some Barely Art Glue. I just said art glitter. I had to edit that out. But my art glitter glue, I notice when I use it, because I'm not using it as often, now all of a sudden it has like water settled at the top or something. It's very weird. Alrighty, so there we are. See, aiming for that 3 and 2. So I consider this my top. This helps me put it together quickly, okay? So you find wherever you want to go that top point, but I like using this. Another video, they said go by the score lines, but with the glitter, what score line? You can't see it, right? Okay, now with this, I saw one video example from Honeybee where she put dots in here. That would give it height, but I don't think it needs height. For the speed of the video, I'm going to just flick this with my finger. I should use something to curl it. All right, there we are. See the 5, 3, right there, okay? And that's my top. Now with these pieces, you want to aim for just the center. Leave the leaves alone. There we go. And then I'm gonna put it just like that. See how it goes right back on top of it? There. Okay? So 3 and 2, and let that set for 2 seconds. Now here, the top one, I'm going to have to go by the shape. I'm just curling it with my fingers. I found I could do this, and I'll tell you in a second what these papers are. These papers are actually scrapbook.com. They're smooth cardstock, which is actually on sale. I use the warms, and the green, I use a boho. The glitter, I'll tell you in 1 second about that too, because, you know, there's all different kinds of gold glitter. Now here, I believe, there we go. See the one with the 3 that are tight? You just aim for those 2 tops, and it comes right back in. You see it? If you do it different, you could, but I like to, right there. That's my 3 again. And keep it facing up. So now when I flip it over, I know this is the top. That's the only thing with this. It's just that little part. If this is making sense to you, this will come together so quickly for you. But it does line up. See how it lines up? That's when you know that you're right. There we go. And hold. Now with this, you can also hold with your glue bottle. It holds the center very, very well. So it will just add a little weight. Now comes the top. So now the top, if you look at it, see it looks like an oval? Okay, so here's the top. It looks like this. You want to aim it like that, like a sideways oval. See how it looks? That's like a tall oval. Turn it to the side because it's going to go down here that way. Alrighty? And then I think, yep, that's actually perfect. Because if I go the other way, see how you can start seeing the little bits? Hopefully you guys can see that right there. This is the top, right there. So I'll flip it over, like so, and I know this is the top. And I've made a few of these where I know that, oh, okay, I start to really feel the whole coming together. And the more you make it, the quicker it'll come together. And if you mark it like how I did and you put it down and you come back to it, let's say you come back to it in spring. Look at that. Maybe they make a lovely layer of poinsettia. Now the top. Okay, see? Nope. It's right here. There's a little point there. I know. Up close and personal. That point. There. See how it aims? That's what I'm aiming for. If this is hard for you to see, just get some reader's glasses. You can get them at Walmart, your supermarket, your pharmacy. That will magnify everything and make it easier, okay? Alrighty, there we go. I'm liking that. So this is a fall floral. And then I had cut the leaf so I could put the leaf like that, and my embellishment is ready to go. Yay! So let's look at this card base. This time I went a different colorway, all right? So here it's a little bit brighter, here it's a little bit more muted. I know I didn't have a card base ready. And look at that, you could do the leaves like that. Picture it there on a card, slimline, or just a regular A2 card. Beautiful. These leaves I'm using are the autumn leaves from Spellbinders. I will link that as well, seeing that I'm saying it. And this, okay, so if I put this up here, put this here. See how it works for the card? Still. And guess what? Lots of stability in the back. And I have more ideas for this, but I just wanted to at least show you how to put it together. That will be in another video. The center. Let's talk about that center, because the center is wonderful. I was using the Tonic Studio Craft Perfect. That's that deep gold from this paper pat that I had recently hauled. Right there. And then I also use a Tonic Studio mirror card. This. Love this yellow gold. See how it really works? By itself, it's like, but in bits, oh, it's wonderful. So I will link these two as well. Hopefully this one sells out very, very quickly. I believe scrapbook.com has it in stock again. I did get another pack and on sale at scrapbook.com if you're interested, because these are nice for exactly this. Flower layering goodness. Wow. Love, 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 love. Alrighty, crafters. Until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.